if you were around the elephant blinded. If you touch the elephant, you will feel something different. And if I ask you about which animal you are touching, probably you say something different, because you are just touching one part of the elephant. And that's what happens when we talk about PMOs. If I ask you some kind of definition, you will say something, but all of you are correct. And that's why the PMO phenomenon is something very complicated.
PMO is a center that everybody goes to when there is a problem and when they need service. In very simple words, we say PMO is the oil between the wheels to make the life of the people in the business easier and provide value to them. So PMO Solutions is actually that center for the PMO professionals if they need any help to improve in their skills, softer skills and the harder skills, and also for the businesses if they need any help in their PMO services and functions.
What we saw in our research is PMOs are not a trend anymore. Actually, it's a reality. Many important companies are using PMOs to centralize important functions related to project, program, and portfolio management. And they are finding a lot of value with that, but there are some challenges. Actually, the most important challenge is how to show this value.
So our main focus is how to deliver value. So we train all the PMO professionals in terms of learning how to understand the requirements and the needs, how to create the solution which is integrated and it's looking at all of the aspects of the business, and what are the softer skills to deliver all of these, and how to create a PMO value added.
Just understanding the stakeholders and managing stakeholders and creating a governance level for a PMO is the first step and the most important step within a PMO.
We have some challenges in our organisation in regarding aligning expectations, and I guess I really wanted to check in to make sure that you understand and keep validating who you are, what you are, to which part of the organisation. And so I wanted to validate that, in actual fact, what a PMO needs to do.
We are very proud that we are welcoming PMO Value Ring methodology into Australia for the first time and introducing this methodology to PMO professionals and practitioners in different places in Australia, Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. PMO Solutions is the prime partner of PMO Global Alliance with the objective of connecting Australian PMO professionals to the global community and provide them the opportunity of learning from others in different countries. Because in PMO world, there is no right or wrong way of delivering a service. We are delivering the service in different businesses based on what that business wants and what solution is adoptable and acceptable by that business.
The events in Australia with PMO Solutions were a very interesting opportunity to exchange ideas, exchange experience. And I'm sure that in the next months, people from Australia will understand how the PMO Value Ring and how PMO Solutions can support them to create, to design PMOs much more valuable.
I really liked Americo's analogy of the elephant. And you've actually unfortunately got to satisfy and perceive to add value to each one of those customers, one that touches the tail, one that touches the tusk, one that touches the leg. They won't guess it's an elephant, but that's the PMO, is the elephant. I really love that analogy. So when you go and meet the different stakeholders, you've got to go, okay, what is the definition of value for that stakeholder versus the one that's touching the other piece of the elephant, called the PMO.
If every organization sort of tries to go from where they are to a course of continuous improvement and benchmarking while in the way that they go through, I think that would be a massive win in the PMO world.
We are really looking forward to open the doors and by connecting the dots around the world, help the PMO professionals to upskill themselves and be ready for future.